Hello and welcome back to Riverside Tech, and as the title may suggest, I just got myself a brand new camera. It is the Sony A7 III. So I'm not going to make a video specifically as a full review as everyone's done that. And so once I use it for a few weeks or months, I'm going to make a few videos about very specific things about its uses. So I hope that will be helpful for you guys. But yeah, so why did I buy this thing? So yeah, one reason I bought this was in-body image stabilization. As you may know, on this camera I have the 25mm 1.7, which is 50mm on a full frame. And this lens doesn't have any image stabilization, which for the kind of thing I do is a bit of an issue, because it means every time I want to use that lens, I've either got to use a tripod or a gimbal. Even on the gimbal, the stabilizer, you can still see some shakes in it, and so it's a bit annoying. And so yeah, what I would like with this thing is to be able to shoot it handheld. Number two is sharpness and low light performance. Now obviously this revolves a lot around the lens, but also around the amount of noise that you get with it. And the Micro Four Thirds sensor is renowned, and I have experienced the noise that you get, especially when you're trying to shoot in any kind of low light condition. And so I really try to avoid going any higher than 800 ISO on this thing. But with this thing, with the full frame sensor, 24 megapixels, I assume that I'm going to feel comfortable going higher than 1600. And also I like doing some astrophotography, so that helps as well, getting the least noise possible. And also the kind of work I do outside of this channel sort of needs a very clean, crisp image with absolutely no noise. And yeah, this wasn't quite doing it for me. I obviously didn't invest in the right lenses for it, as I knew that I was going to go to Sony. But I'm glad that I have this thing now, so my low light performance will be on point. And yeah, the point of astrophotography is another reason why I look at this. Even though in the UK there are about 2 days, or maybe about 4 days in the year where there's a clear sky. And so I hopefully with this camera will get to utilize those 4 days to the best of their ability. If you guys are in the UK, you'll know what I mean. It's always cloudy. And the third reason is I just wanted it. So I've sort of devised the £2,000 cost for this thing, so I didn't feel so bad about myself. And so £1,000 was a business expenditure, which is hopefully going to make me more money in the future. And the other 1,000 was just because I wanted a nice camera that would hopefully be more fun to use than I currently have, and will allow me to get awesome slow motion with its 120 FPS. I can't wait to use that. So I would let you guys see some footage from this thing, but the issue is I haven't got a lens for another few weeks, which is it's alright. I have ordered one. Guess down in the comments section what lens I've ordered for this thing. Trust me, it's a good one. It's not a G Master or anything. So the fourth reason I got this thing was for its autofocus performance and its lens selection. And so I'll divide these into two. And so the focusing, I can't really trust on this, which is fair enough. I've spoken about it in the past. It's not the biggest issue, but for the kind of, also like I said, for the kind of work I do, I would like something with very good autofocus, as yeah, events is something I film. And those are situations when I'm using a gimbal or a monopod where I would really appreciate having some autofocus to get onto faces. And the lens selection. And the Panasonic lens selection, I'd say, is really good. It's gotten a lot better over the years. But the one issue is there aren't really third-party lenses very much. And their lenses are really expensive. In a few weeks I'm going to get a lens for this thing, which I can't wait. And I'm going to take it to Dubai, and we'll see how this thing turns out. So I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.